Okay, welcome to my channel again. Now we will do question number 3 in chapter 9. Okay, this is chapter 9. Okay, prove that, okay, this is, let me see, it is secant. Why is it so thin this time? I want to make a little bit more thick. Okay, yes. Okay, so, yes, so it is secant x into cosecant x minus cotangent x equals tangent x. We have to prove this thing. So I'll start from left hand side. Okay, secant x into cosecant x minus cotangent x. Okay, so secant x is 1 over cos x and cosecant x is 1 over sin x minus cos x over sin x. Okay, so if I try to add this fraction, I will have sine x into cos x in the denominator. I will have 1 here minus cos x, and cos x had only sine x and they turn into cos x. So 1 minus cos square x is sine square x. Am I right? Sine square x over sine x into cos x. And one sine cancels, so I will have sine x over cos x, which is tangent x. Okay, so this is my right hand side. Okay, so this is part A, we proved it. Now part B is use the result of part A to solve this equation. We can use this result or we can solve this equation without using the result of part A. Anyway, so let's try to use the part A result. Okay, so sorry. Okay. Um, so I have this equation secant x into cosecant x is equal to 3 cotangent x. And I need to do it between 0 and 360 degree. Okay, now if I subtract cotangent x on both sides, it will become secant x cosecant x minus cotangent x equal 3 cotangent x minus cotangent x. So this thing will become tangent x, as this is saying here over here. So this is tangent x equals 3 cotangent minus 1 is 2 cotangent x, right? And cotangent coming over here will, okay, I can do it in this step. Tangent x divided by cotangent x is equal to 2. So cotangent x will become tangent, will become tangent square x is equal to 2. Okay, it means tangent x is equal to, when I take square root from both sides, plus minus under root 2, right? Okay, if I try to solve one by one, so x is equal to tangent inverse under root 2. Okay, so if I use calculator, my answer comes out to be 54 point, sorry, 54.7 degree. Okay, now what is the other answer? You see, if I try to make a sketch of tangent x, remember we talked about it before, tangent x go from 90 to minus 90. And again, this is 180 and 270. So it goes again like this. And this is an asymptote. This is also another root, and this is another root minus 90. Okay, so we estimated somewhere here is under root 2. So inverse shows me that this is the value which is 54.7 degree. Okay, so I get the same value over here, right? And you can see that these values are 180 degree apart. So the next answer is 54.7 plus 180, which would be 54 plus 7. I think it is 234.7. So this is the second answer. Now I will solve the other part, which is x is equal to tangent inverse negative of under root 2. So you can see that negative from under 2, it will give this answer, but we don't want to go to here because I have to work between 0 and 360. So I will go this answer. Okay, and this value, you can see it is 180 minus the same thing. So this answer is 180 minus 54.7. Okay, and that comes out to be 125.3 degree. And next would be, okay, I have to put one more. Four 50. So the next cycle is from here and here. So the value is going to be this one. Okay, so the next answer is 360 minus 54.7. Okay, 360 is this point. I have to subtract and find this answer. And this is going to be, yes, 305. 305.3 degree. Okay, so I hope it's clear. We got four answers. One is this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, now I will show you that we don't have to use this equation. Okay, remember it says that use the equation from part A. So I will try to solve it directly from the given expression. So let me erase this whole thing. Then I will show you another way of solving it. Okay, where is the, oh my goodness. Okay, uh, so let us do part B directly. Directly mean I have this equation secant x into cosecant x equals 3 cotangent x. Okay, so secant x is 1 over cos x and 1 over sin x equal 3 cos x over sin x. Okay, I can divide this sin x with the sin x. I can cancel it out. And there's no issue of 0 as we have in question number, I believe, 1. Because I'm multiplying with sin x. And if even if it is 0, doesn't matter. I cannot divide things by 0, but I can multiply it by things by 0. So it's okay. Okay, so I have cos x. So 1 equals 3 into cos square x. So cos square x is equal to 1 over 3, and cos x is plus minus 1 over under root 3. Right? Okay, how does the graph of cos x goes? Something like this, right? So this is 1 and this is -1. Okay, this point is uh, this point is 90. This is 118. This is 270. Okay, now for what value, and sorry, I had to go a little bit ahead, so let me erase all of this as well. Okay, this is 360. Okay, now 1 over under root 3 is plus minus 0.577, something like this, I believe. Let me turn on. 1 divided by under 3, it is 0.577. Okay, so we are somewhere here, okay, and it will give me this angle. So I need to find this angle and this angle, right? So I will do cos x equals 1 over under root 3. So x is equal to cos inverse 1 over under root 3. And this will give me this answer, which is 54.7 degree. Okay, now this answer, this value over here, it is um, whatever it is away from 0, the same it is away from 360. So next value I have to find by subtracting from 360 this value. Okay, so it is going to be 305.3 degree. Okay, next is cos x is equal to negative of 1 over under root 3. So x is equal to cos inverse negative 1 over under root 3. And this will give me, you see, negative is here, somewhere here. So it will give me this value, right? And whatever it is away from here, it is same from here. So this answer is going to be 180 minus 54.7. Okay. And this is going to be 125.3 degree. And similarly, the other answer is this one, which is uh, same distance from 180 on plus. So the next answer is going to be 180 plus 54.7. And this is going to be, when I add them together, it is going to be 305, I believe 234.7 degree. So I have four answers, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Similar exactly as we got in the previous part. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you understand everything. I will see you in next video. Take care.